Carolina. Can y'all clap your hands? Come on. Friends, inquisitive fans are asking what's come over me. A change, there's been a change, and it's oh so plain to see now. Now came sneaking up on me, and to me, by surprise, happiness surrounds me. You can see it in my eyes. There was not so very long ago that my life was incomplete. I was down so dark alone, had to look up at my feet. I just want to testify what your love has done for me. I just want to testify what your love has done for me. Once I was a lone girl, where I lonely I did dwell. Then love came sneaking up on me. Bring you home to an empty shell. Well, I heard so many times before that your love can be so bad. But I'm here to tell all you people, you're the best love I ever had. Just want to testify what your love has done for me. I just want to testify what your love has done for me. Just want to testify what your love has done for me. I just want to testify what your love has done for me. Just want to testify what your love has done for me. Oh, I just want to testify. I just want to testify. Thank you guys. God bless you all.